Come with me to get a massage here at Cebu Massage Olongapo, located on the second floor of Fountain Corner East 18th Street here in Olongapo City. Cebu Massage Olongapo is a spa or massage facility focused on providing relaxation and affordable bodywork services. As you enter, you're welcomed by a clean interiors, soft lightings, and a cozy waiting area that instantly sets the mood for relaxation. Here, I'm just signing a wellness waiver which outlines their health information, treatment preferences, and any existing conditions to ensure a safe and personalized service. And after that, the massage procedure begins with a brief consultation where my therapist describes the techniques to be used, the pressure level, and the flow of the session. While doing the procedure, let's talk about medical wellness tourism and why is it relevant. According to Global Wellness Institute 2024, medical and wellness tourism involves traveling to another place to receive healthcare or wellness services such as medical treatments, spa therapies, holistic healing, and rehabilitative care, often at more affordable prices or with better quality experiences. This concept connects directly to massage facilities as these establishments offer relaxation, stress relief, and therapeutic touch that many wellness travelers especially seek to enhance recovery, promote well-being, or complement medical procedures. It's also relevant today because according to Market.us Wellness Tourism Report 2024, people increasingly prioritize preventive health, stress management, and accessible quality care, especially in destinations known for their natural healing environments and skilled wellness practitioners. It significantly contributes to economic growth, supports health-focused travel, and aligns with the global rise of holistic lifestyle practices. Finally done with the procedure. It's just sad because I wasn't able to avail their signature treatment because I have class at 2 p.m.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Marian Joy Marine from Burden College under the program of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. And I will be your interviewer today. I just have a few questions for you about Cebu Massage Olongapo. Can you first introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, and my name is Jennifer Palamiana, and I'm 38 years old. I'm a senior therapist at Cebu Massage Olongapo.
So first is, can you elaborate po what kind of wellness facility is Cebu Massage Olongapo?
We have a bed for massage, and then we have a foot massage area.
So basically, it is a massage facility spa. Second is, what are the core services you offer?
We have a combination of massage, like shiatsu, Swedish, and basic Thai massage.
Besides of those core services, are there more specialized or signature treatments do you offer?
We have a signature, hot stone signature.
So. And next is, what equipment do you use for massaging? And also sa signature nyo, ano tong equipments?
We have oil, natural oil, and lotion for body.
And sa signature po?
We have a hot stone.
Stone, okay. Next is, what are the short-term and long-term goals of Cebu Massage Olongapo? Anong goal po ng facility niyo?
We have, siyempre gusto namin na mas, mag-grow pa yung, yung Cebu Massage Olongapo.
Next is, who are the customers do you serve or clientele service? Sino-sino na yung mga naging kliyente nyo?
Mas more on kami sa mga women. And then, sa mga men din, pero limit lang. And then, sa mga bata.
Bata? May age po ba?
Meron, mga 6 and above.
6 and above, pwede na. Okay.
Basta hindi lang malikot.
Okay. Next is, who is your target audience? Sino pa pong audience yung tina-target nyo, yung hindi pa nakakapunta sa inyo, yung madalang pumunta dito? Young professionals ba? Students? Ganon?
Pwede din siguro sa mga senior din. Kasi,
senior,
kasi much better kasi nga dahil yung massage namin dito actually for wellness din kasi siya.
Okay, so mas okay nga siya sa mga senior citizens. As a senior therapist, what type of customer experience do you want guests to feel?
Siyempre, maging sila, comfortable dito sa spa din. And then, yung approach din ng mga therapist sa kanila is, okay naman.
How will you measure service success or client satisfaction?
Siyempre, 100% dapat na maibigay namin yung nila, satisfaction ng client. Kasi siyempre, pagka hindi na binigay lahat ng yung best namin, hindi na babalik siyempre si client. Kaya kailangan 100%.
Okay, so last, as a part of Cebu Massage Olongapo, what challenges did you encounter and how did you address them?
May mga client kasi minsan na siyempre hindi may iwasan, di ba, yung mga malilipit yung kamay or yung kapag ka nagmamasal sila. So, minsan, kinakausap namin sila. So, kahit kapag hindi naman sila pumayag na yung sa ganun nga. Kasi actually, itong massage ng wala talaga extra service. So, pag hindi sila pumayag, pwede namin labasin din sila. Parang ganun. Pero, kailangan bayaran nila din ng pa rin yung massage nila. Ng full pa rin.
Okay. So, ayan nga po. Okay na.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you.